Hello everybody and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson I will show you how to add layers and put them in folders. So this is the design page and every design have multiple parts. The best way is to keep your work in order. As you see here, I have many folders, each is for the parts of the design. For example, I have here this part for the header folder. If I had this folder, the whole header goes away, as you see. So keeping things clean and in order helps me a lot. For example, I have here all the sliders files. I hide the file, all of the slider goes away. Let's say I want to drag it here. As you see, I only have to drag the file, but if this was not in a file, I will have to drag each thing on its own. The image on its own, the text on its own, the button on its own. You get the idea. So the best way is to put the layers in a folder. That's why I combine all the layers in one file. Same thing here for this profile. If I want to move it, I click on the file, then I drag it right here. And as you see, I change the look of the design very quickly and very easily. So if I had layers on their own without putting them in a folder, things would have been very hard. So in this lesson, I will show you how to combine and put the layers in a single folder. So we'll work on this slider as an example. And here are the layers of this header. We have the image layer, the shape, the name, the text, as you see in here. Now to add all these layers to a folder, all I do is I go to the top layer here, I click on it, then I click on the folder right here. Then I drag the layer to the file, like this. And as you see, the ones inside the folder are different than the ones who aren't. This one is in the folder, the ones on the bottom are not. So now I add all the layers to the folder. Now everything is in one folder. If I close the folder like this, everything goes away. Double click to rename the folder. You can name it whatever you like. You can even give it a color to help you remember. For example, I give it the green color. By renaming the folder or giving it a certain color, it will be easy to find it when you are looking for it. If you don't know where it is, you go here and check this box right here. You select the layer if you're looking for just a layer, and you select group if you're looking for a folder. So in here I have few files, but sometimes we have too many folders and we can't locate the folder or the layer we are looking for. So all I do is to check this box, select either the layer or group, and then I click on what I want to change. For example, right here, this text. And here we are, the text layer appears in here. I click on the text and its layer appears. And as you see, I clicked on the image layer appeared here. Now to add all of these layers to a folder at once, all you have to do I click on the top layer, then I click Control from the keyboard, then I click on the last layer like this. And here we are. Then I click here and it's in the folder. This is for the Windows version. As for the Mac, I don't really know because I'm using a Windows version laptop. It might be the same, it might be different. I don't really know. So for Mac users, they need to do some digging. Always before you start working, open a new folder, name it, give it a color to make things easy and in order. For example, I name it folder 1. I give it a color. Let's see, for example, orange. Now since the folder is selected like this, whatever I do will be put inside the folder. For example, I type a text and as you see, the text layer is inside the folder. I type this text and it will be automatically inside the folder. As you see, I hide the folder, even the text goes away. Same thing for everything else, images, icons, shapes, etc. And I click here to close and here to open the folder. I hope you liked what you saw. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next lesson.